Welcome to Ali's Toy Zone.
Today we're going to bake.
No, it's not a big box, it's a Rubik cube. So we are going to disassemble the Rubik cube and then we are going to assemble it again.
A big too.
Yes.
A big and a small.
Yes, it's a big Rubik cube. That's a small one, baby one. Rubik cube has 6 sides with 6 different colors. So this side is yellow and so the opposite is white. Same goes, here it comes orange and the opposite is red. And this one is blue and the opposite side is green. So I'm going to select my base as a white. So this is the color pattern that it follows. So now we'll open up the cubes one by one and then we will assemble it again. So to assemble the Rubik cube, I have to take a base and a top. So I'm going to take white as a base and yellow as a top. After removing all the pieces, you can see that the cube has 6 pieces left. Those are the center pieces of the Rubik cube and those pieces are fixed. Rubik cube has 2 slots. One is straight which goes into the middle and the other one is curved which goes into the corners. I will separate the yellow cubes first because that will be the last part to complete my cubes, and there are total 8 yellow cubes. As you can see, the middle portion of the Rubik cube is a bit stretchy, so this will help the cubes to hold together. So as I told you earlier that the Rubik cube follows a color pattern, so to assemble the Rubik cube I have to take a base and a top. So I'm going to take white as a base and yellow as a top. To build the base of my Rubik cube, I need cubes which has only one color and rest of the sides are white. So in total there will be 4 pieces in the first step, and for the second step we need 2 colors and 4 sides white. So I'm going to separate them now so it becomes more easier for me. So these are the 4 cubes which has one side color and rest 5 sides are white. Now you just have to place them according to their colors. You can see like that all colors are matching. So now, because the step 1 is completed, now I will move towards step 2. For the second step, I need the corner cubes, which I have already separated beforehand, which has 2 colors and 4 white sides. So I'm going to place them according to color. As you can see now, like my second layer is also completed. So at last I have kept the yellow pieces which I have to arrange. So now for the third step, I have to take those yellow pieces, 8 pieces that I have separated beforehand. As I have kept the yellow cubes for the last, so now I'm going to arrange them according to colors one by one. And now here go the last piece. As you can see, my Rubik cube is completed, and you can see all the colors are all in right places.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Give a heart. Good job.